This is the first rain after we installed the gutters, and you can see one of the downspouts is in the middle of the roof, and the other one is at the end, but both downspouts eventually routed to this side of the property for the grading. And look at the amount of water. This is all the water coming from one half of the roof on this side. Fortunately, we had those massive flash rains, and when this happens, too much water runs in between the homes at once, and it just floods, like overflows, and there is a amount of water that flows along the foundation walls is just seeping through, and this is what we get when just too much water too fast. So we're gonna be installing the gutters and downspouts to direct this water elsewhere, away from the foundation. Good morning. So today is the eavesdropping and downspouts day. We have these guys, Mainstream, coming to produce us the 70-foot long gutters eavesdropping to span this whole roof on each side, and then we're gonna put a few downspouts. And so we started to produce the eavesdroughs for this side. Those are commercial grade, extra large, 6-inch wide gutters, eavesdroughs. And they are the full length, 70 feet long, to accommodate this whole roof. If you can see, this whole roof is 70 feet. They were just produced here on the site and will be brought up and installed within the next hour or so. Hold on, it took us about 5 hours, but as you can see, the black one-piece 70 feet long eavestrough gutter is installed, and we have 2 runs and then a third one in the end, downspouts. And the same on the other side of the property, the back of the property. So it was hard to maneuver because these pieces are 70 feet long, one piece, no seam, seamless one piece. Hard to lift it up without bending or turning, flipping, but it's done. Big project. On the back side of the building, as you can see, we put one downspout in the middle of the roof, going all the way throughout, and the other one at the end. Both of them go down and on the street. One is on the other side. This is the first rain after we installed the gutters, and you can see one of the downspouts is in the middle of the roof, and the other one is at the end, but both downspouts eventually routed to this side of the property for the grading, and look at the amount of water. This is all the water coming from one half of the roof on this side. This side it's all good. All I am thinking is just that the water in that middle downspout, it has to be probably extended. Where you can see on this side we have 3 downspouts, so 2 of them coming right here. This one is the busiest one. And then one at the other end. This is the entire roof water, which in the past would end up between the houses. Now it's all going towards the street.